jet wash. So this is the type K5PCCH. So you just pressure with this on the patio wash, you car wash. This is whole complete kit with the car wash, with the patio wash, and also you can use for the multi-purpose wash as well. So shall we begin? So we just open the box. Think about it, we just need to cut. Just leave open from this side to this side. So if the camera show you how this inside, cut. So we just the unboxing today the Karcher pressure jet washes. Hello guys, today long time came back for unboxing. So sorry, I don't make unboxing videos anymore because long time just busy with my other things. So that's why I'm not making any videos. So apologize to you guys. So you like my unboxing. Today I ask you, how are you? Everything's fine and all your family's okay. I think I just start carry on my unboxing. Start from this video. So today we just bring unboxing for Karcher jet wash. So that's why we just make for this video today. Cut. Hello Lisa, how you doing? You okay, Lisa?
Yeah.
Hi princess.
Part.
Just using for the right bit. Oh my god, this is a bit tricky. Always using for the guideline. And then this the bit going inside like this, and make sure that all this small collar like this, the shape, exact shape going like this. Sometimes it's a bit tricky. They fit and snug properly. And next one, that's all accessories, how do they go inside here. This one just like this, and this one is a little bit, they pull it and press it here. And what you need to do, you need to use screws. There is a small screws there. So these are the screws you're going to using in this area to fit in properly. They're not split it off. So I just try to find out where is my screwdriver. Okay, so this is my screwdriver. So this is you need to use this type of electric screwdriver carefully. Don't too much speedy on. Just set your speed in your very lighter, like this. Set one and set one here as well. So I can show you the first of all you need these screws. These screws, where are they gonna go? Yes, these screws. My little princess make the video today, and then she's just laughing at me. Just you know, when I'm using word screws. And this is not the right one. So this you know, the holder going inside just like this, just push like this. So this is how they look inside. So inside you've got this is for with accessories. They tell you for multi-purpose you can use car wash, patio wash, a staircase, outside, outdoor cleaning with the different tires and patios. So this is the one, and this is this product. Even you can just get your benefits. You download the app, and you can use this QR code, and then you can get some you know, get some code or anything or any information you need. So this one is for this, and this is for they give you these some cloths. This is the car synthetic cloth, which is there no any streaks or anything. So this is this one with that, with the extra, and this is the all the guidebook, how you use. And this one is for surface cleaner, which is the patio cleaner, and this is for the jet wash. And this is the you can use for the product register with the Karcher. You can just use for any help or any you know, the problem, or you can cover it. And this is for brush, which is for needed for the car wash, the buffing. And when you use the foam, and then after you can use with this, you can connect the hose with it, and then you can use on the car with the foam, and then all foam with the cleaning properly. I'll show you. And this one is the jet wash stand. And they give you some liquid, the one set free. And this is the bring the wow. They clean the car wash liquid. And you just need to connect with the jet bar, and then you can use for as a foam to clean your car. And this is, you can see, they bring back the wow factor car like look like a new. And this is for the patio wash, the stone and paving cleaner. And this one also come with it as a free. For first time when you bought this. And this is also the 3-in-1. They all included with the active dirt resolver, reduce the resoiling, and wind and weather protection as well. They all come together. So this is inside for the patio cleaner. It looks like this. And this is just like this. And this is the hard. You can just swing around, just to twist it anti-clockwise, clockwise to hard or soft surface. And then this is the old pressure jets coming through, the pressure water coming through this way, the sprinkler, and then they can wash. And this is the pressure hose. They connect with the jet wash. And this is also with a stand. I can show you the everything, how you can combine all together. And this is also the handle for the Karcher. And this is for spray, for foam spray, which is you can just, when you use for the car wash, and then you can attach the liquid in there and put the liquid in there and then connect the hose in it. And you can spray spread all over the car. And these are the handles, all bars, all the jets. You can connect all together. I'll show you the later on. And this is the all complete gun. You can connect with the all all other handle as well, so they can just be used for different type of jets. And this is also the another type of jet spray rod. And this is also just like for the dirt protector for the jet wash when you use for the outside. And this is also the handle, and also the connect with the hose when you connect for the hose with the, and this is the nozzle, and this is all the other accessories as well with the handle. And these are the jet washer wheels, because they are using as a flat, otherwise the very big box if they just assemble all together. And these are the codes. And just make sure all the box is empty, no any accessories behind. Then when you make all together, then it's easy for you.